Seriously, you want to talk to me about now, sis?
You know someone go look on work?
No, sir. You just left school the other day, you turned 19. You plan to go work for people already?
I just want to work because more maintain for my own.
Well, you're lucky you can't go look work. Me not look no work. You better think about party and go live life. You talk about
girl.
work.
Party not go nowhere.
But party not go nowhere.
It only take money out of your pocket.
When you go party, you enjoy yourself, you enjoy life. You don't know when God will come for you.
So if you don't have no money, how you going to enjoy life?
Well, as you say, you would go work. When you work, you give me half of the money. Simple as that.
No, girl, you better go look a job for yourself.
No, me don't want to work. Me don't feel like me need no work. Me don't feel like me supposed
but
to
work. But me not work for me, are you?
Hello, you're a bigger one. Me not think I time for my work yet. Me very young. Me just want to live my life and party. I think I'm supposed to work.
But you know, so God bless you with 2 hand and 2 foot though. You have to have sense.
I feel like God bless you with too much mouth. And that me feel like God bless you with too much mouth. You chat too much.
Well, you lucky. Me not
feel like me want to work. Me not be like my father. Me I be like my father.
You lucky.
Don't work, just go to run bar. Me I be like daddy.
You gonna run bar?
What work don't care go? What kind of work you go look now? What kind of work you plan to look?
Any work.
Any work like what kind of work?
I'll go in one bar, in one shop, anything. Once me make money.
Oh. Me I want to friend work at one strip club. Me can get to that work then.
No, me
don't get tips.
No, me don't want
get tip.
No. You gonna go to the go-go.
No, me don't want to go work. What go good?
Me there, girl, you don't know what I say. Last night, me have a piece of mix-up to tell you. Make me sit down.
You don't come with mix-up.
Sit down. Sit down and chat.
You don't know what I say last night. After me asleep, girl, I'm a deep sleep. Me hear so nice. Wake me up out of my sleep. So me think, now your friend Shanice, man.
I do her.
You know she and her man. Round there.
I do things, eh?
Yes. Me think I did things she did that. Me think I did things she did that do. But she never did that do nothing. Lick she da get under her skin.
Hello, yeah, tell.
So lick the boy girl, eh?
You know, say you 2 mix up.
Jesus Christ.
You 2 mix up.
What me mix up with?
Imagine coming comes to me and my sister talk and come between the two and even say excuse or good
Me
morning.
never me don't need to say
No,
that.
come over here, so. Sit down over here, so come over that side.
You 2 mix up too.
Sit down. You sit down. Let me focus on me
Yes,
and tell me
girl,
now.
as me did I say.
So imagine all the girls that she love bad man. And she might do her so. But you know no manners.
See my go.
You know no manners.
What's wrong with you?
You know no
Your
manners.
sister.
Come walk, go up the road and talk. Can you must see them? Come with talk.
Sit down back there so.
Christ.
You
Not
2 mix
because
up.
you're the bigger one. Talk man and go me.
But you feel here.
No,
That's
sir.
your mother.
No.
You catch her back another time.
I'm
What
okay.
did I say?
Friend lead you astray. You hear she's not a good friend.
Are you go lead her?
Mama, go on. Me don't feel like me a take no beating right now. Go on.
Alright, me and you we talk.
Later.
But me see my girl hospital.
Bye.
Yes.
Girl, me don't talk to me, girl.
Bye.
Hello. You see the next day, see me and my friend attack. Don't try to drip me and
It's the
push me.
mouth the way you have.
You see true, you're bigger one. Me don't go listen to you. Me don't go listen to you. See them
You
and
wash
talk about the
your clothes
work.
them from morning.
No, me not supposed to wash clothes. No, you're the
Why?
bigger one. Mama, go over go wash the clothes them.
But you know no
Go over
manners.
wash the clothes them. I'm supposed to wash the clothes. A cool breeze me a catch right now. Me hot.
God gave you 2 hands for a reason.
And me feel like God give you too much words in your mouth. You chat too much.
At least me they
Go
tell
on
you the
over.
truth.
Go on over, please. Please go on over, go wash the clothes them. Go do something.
Me nah wash none, me sorry.
Like you're in an argument with me today. Me not in that with you right now. So I'm gonna go over. Make me be the person
Wash
that
2
go on
for me
over.
them too.
Me say, me no know what to kill her sister she. No, sir. Why? From kill her mother gone. She just going like she the bigger one, so. I deal with the little girl. Oh, there. Me rotted. Me want ask you one nice. Oh, there. You know, hear me they talk to you.
Me and deal.
So coulda who else? Me not see nobody else, so. What make you beat the woman so last night?
You know, say,
Why you so cruel? You not fi beat woman, you know?
so what you do? You want to do or listen to my business?
No, me lie down. Me did this sip and ear at the bar. Me think I did moan she da moan, but I never moan she da moan at all. I lick take her.
Alright, I'm ask you something, Zine. I want you to tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right.
Yeah, me go tell you.
No, so me have to board them. I always go pick up a piece of food from. Always deal with some transaction for me.
Yes.
So I always left for a yard on the block, pick up the food them and come back. You know, so one day I'm tired. Yesterday I'm tired. I'm saying mama go pick up the food from my bad dog them. I'm saying go pick up 500k. You know, say come now when mama reach on there. The rest of money when must getting it kinky.
You get kinky.
And me, you know, say chop him make a bad dog then chop him.
But he might eat
No, one
them
of them. When I say chop, I don't even know what I mean. Jump in, make them jump in fence. And give him 10,000 extra for himself. This a lunatic girl that come from me. I kill me to kill her, you know. I tell her this, when she come back on the ends. Listen me man, you know, when she come back on the ends. I go to Boomson and he give me money. Say she go all her fresh. I wonder, oh, him go all her fresh and me this send him go out down the road and come back.
Yeah.
And he bed before he left. He go all her fresh and come back and now. Say he want him battery for charge. Say you know, when I put him down on the bed, lend him my charger and plug in. As I plug in the same time, my battery start overheat. Radiator start overheat.
Oh God.
You have to give him back my charger fast.
Oh God.
That time I find out say board ain't going on well.
Jesus Christ.
After me plug out my charger, can you
That
give
no
me back
good
fast
again.
and that never used to happen first time. I find out say somebody going in blur out hole.
That no good again. I done it done.
I'm getting me no murder it over there.
I done it done.
I choose me have ratings for her, you know. And me have love for her, you know.
I understand.
Yo, that's why me not pronounce that.
No, but
Sally
I
a talk about
pronounce
you hear
that.
beating around there and beat. You think I beat me if you beat if you're in my position? What you that do?
But I pronounce that.
So you tell me about me a beat woman around the sun. Me
Come,
look
me
you just
think.
in hand alone injure. Cause that fi teach him say when he see money he shut in your eye. Cause if he put in hand pan it, I chop it I go chop off next time. Worse, me bad dog them.
Why have you just take time with her?
No plan to stay with her for too long still, you know.
Look so.
Look more charge more and get out of the machine. And then look more me just
But I say
him
the machine functions alright.
see, you know,
It a
say-
overheat.
Yeah, that's why I tell you, I just want more, look more charge out of it and then I'm gone.
Okay.
So you know, say like, yeah, right, girl, for me start link
Me?
with. I mean, because you just stop here, everything want go on, plus me tell you what go on. Can't get for nowhere.
Yes, I can get to know me, no problem.
Tell you what, I don't want too much talking on the road now. Just give me a number. And we kick it from there. And make sure you don't stay like her and make sure you use the things, you know.
Of course, me used to things. There's nothing in this world I'm not used to. Alright, you just call me.
If you save it as
Riri.
Riri,
Riri.
like bad girl Riri.
Bad girl, Riri.
Suck off me.
No, sir, I'm not the one.
Alright.
Watch this one here. Watch him. Why am I going to tell me I know? Watch him. Look hungry. Oi there! What a girl?
Me there, no girl.
Come here.
Let me never want to stop and chat to you, you know.
You come here, girl. Walk on.
Me there.
Oh. Is everything alright?
Yes. Yeah, still a notice so. Oh yeah, I beg this morning.
Me don't beg a thing, I just relax me around to cool. So how do you make it high? How are you?
What go on way?
How do you?
Me drop.
You drop!
You deaf?
Mama. Tom jump, but Tom no fool. You drop?
Mama, me drop and me hand cut out.
Stop telling me like girl. They know you can't lie to
You
me.
look like you did drop instead of me.
Because every lick you get last night, they me hear them. They just a connect so.
Oh, well, anything you say.
They just a connect like Wi-Fi.
Anything you say, mama, anything you say.
So what going with the hand? Come here, do
Me drop.
You don't drop.
Alright, then if you hear really quiet, ask me, Riri.
Come here with me, no know what good down. So me ask you what good down.
Anything you hear, so you go. Run with it. You want add more, pan add more. You want take off, take
Go on, me
off.
I go. Come, can't talk to you.
You have a right to can't talk to me, because I don't know for your
Time
bed.
man beat out your raw. What you do last night? Man give you some lick. You. I can't tell me about your drop. Damn idiot.
On the road, that's the man.
Listen to me.
Where you come from?
Listen to me now. Don't question me. Do not question me.
Yo, what you tuning?
Me not turn it on now. Me not turn it on. Listen to me now and listen to me clearly. You see, next time you beat me and feel like you can go, we go tell nobody. A station me I go and me personally I come up here with the police them feel. So when you think say you go to the go scandal say you beat me, they say that. Try again. Just try again.
You don't
You
talk.
come in a robot and me go, that's all you're good for.
Yeah.
Big and walk, Chris. Come like them crow.
Wait. Breathe easy. Okay, so this. And we mash it up again. Watch your tone in a voice. In my place. I'm wearing my phone. Hey, maybe we can't answer that yet. Yo. Listen to me. Look man when I chat to you. This one make me damage you sometime. Okay, you now learn. You see next time.
And me a walk for damage me next time. Cause the next time you damage me, a station me a go in and me don't tell you already now.
Be a talk, man. You see next time I say I go pick up something. And you make your man then jump the fence and grow on my thing. You see what happened to you in here.
Watch,
You hear?
watch.
I say, you see what happened to you in here. You see if I this what up on your head I make you feel so. You see what happened to you in here. You hear me say? You know what to? You come talk up your mouth, you know. I'm put on this. She don't want me kill you and get. Yo, me tell you this man. Yo, you see next time you come in here, you watch your mouth. Since when I go up on the road you hear nothing, you come to me, you come ask me pleasant about
Not
that.
asking nothing. But you walk a scandal me name for. You have all right to go to people and tell them boy
Your mouth.
your face.
I said to watch your mouth. And don't make me hurt you in here, no. You
You
not
say
tell
I walk for me damage and you sleeping a little boy.
Oh, you call little boy.
You me a call so.
Yo.
Leave me.
Yo.
Leave me. No, leave me. Last
Yo.
night me did junk, tonight me active, leave me.
Oh, so you did junk when you go up on the hands too.
Yes.
You go talk about yes in here. Yo, me tell you this man. Yo, me tell you this. Careful what you're doing.
Hello. Breathe
Yeah.
easy. Breathe easy. Oh.
Listen,
Now
say-
what I'm promised so again.
See that hand ya? Go on same way. Broke me go broke that one ya. Go on same way. And me done it talking.
The same man them you
Yeah.
send me to on the ends me make come feel. I put me have
I eat that man.
ramp with me.
I run that the hands them man. And I run the hands. The only thing say me know what go on. You go back. And the man them say all no good. So me tell you that I'm a fool if you stay in that same way.
You come here.
That's a girl, yeah.
How you look so vexed? I want my tear.
Woman, not do me alright. What happened? Where want?
You know some here something boy you do?
We're here. I must be little brown, knobbeard, long foot, dirty man when me have done the yard.
No,
you
you
know.
know.
No,
I
wait
want the
here.
arena. Sit down right there so my sister and she come between the two of we talk.
Rina. Riri attack.
Yeah.
So after Riri make me think say look a dirty football.
Girl, she's not a good friend. Me I tell you, she not good at all. Me I try brought my sister out her company and it now work. Just I got 2 1 years and I come back
So
to the
where
other.
your sister then now?
She don't got yard a wash.
Alright, anyways, thanks for the news. Me a good one right now. Me
Alright,
me
good
want
girl.
to Riri.
Alright. Boy, the sun hot. Me should have lied on my bed under the sun AC
What
right
the hell?
now. That's the other sun, that tree.
Yeah.
Look here.
Oh God. Oh, watch out. Pretty girl there, so. What on?
Hello.
You're nice, though.
Mm-hmm.
You single?
No, I'm taken.
Taken.
Yes.
Oh God, I told me I look on you and I say you're beautiful.
Me not beautiful, me ugly. Donkey bite me. Me not pretty at all.
What kind of tattoo that you have on?
Me man name.
Oh, your man name.
Yes.
Oh, so you're taken for true.
Yes, very much.
So you don't feel like you want...
No, me don't want you.
What?
Me don't want no buckle collector, man. Me want me foot them pan dashboard.
Then-
Me fi lie down on the AC.
Mama, I sell them, I sell you know.
So what does that have to do with me?
When me sell them, you know, me can buy anything, you know.
Me want my drive jelly. You don't drive jelly. I don't want you. Me sorry.
How much inch in a jelly you have?
I don't know.
And you want jive, you want a
Me
man
not
to jive jelly?
business.
Eh?
Go take time go and see one buckle over there so me help out you.
Let me ask you a question.
One buckle over there so.
You feel like any man wanna say walk and pick up buckle is a normal man?
You
Huh?
normal. You not say normal, look fine.
This is money, hard working money. Me I walk and pick up my sweat and blood.
That's how you sweat
You
and
see if
blood
you get
business.
1 million of this, a 3 million that you know.
Well, that
Me
not
get a
go
$3
nowhere.
for buckle.
This not go nowhere. No talking. That not go help me right now.
So you want a man rich.
Right, I want a rich man. If
So
you
you
don't
can-
rich, me don't
So you
want
can cock up
you.
them dirty foot upon the dashboard.
Right, then dirty foot that shall go on the dashboard. Look at them, very dirty. You want to use a towel and wipe it and
They
clean it.
always say if you want to know how a woman front stay up on them foot.
Well, that's on my front stay. That's have to clean it. You right now, what?
We are left here with a warning. You see, and anybody you must judge.
You
Don't
me have to judge you. How you
don't
pat down.
judge the book.
You pat down. You need help. Come on back over this, so me say.
Don't worry then. Don't worry then. As me say, when you want to know how a woman front, check them foot bottom.
Well, me know it too.
Cause see,
You
when-
don't know how my front look. You can't talk to me. You can't walk in my shoes. You see, me a dirty foot girl. Make you stay. Sorry if you go. Me want a man to look. Make him pick me up so don't pick me up when me clean. When
Well, you might
don't
have
say this
you,
in my
all right, you
effect.
might have a point with the dirty foot. A man can pick you up and clean you up. But a man no want no woman to just so everybody has to see your body.
Yeah, see my body?
Yeah.
You see my pum pum?
Me see in your belly. Me see in your whole of your so no man no see that look like a source of Brazil you have on right now.
But the time hot, you don't see the sun shining.
You stay in your yard. They don't come
See
from
me
the
yard,
road.
me there.
What-
Over there, son, living now.
Whether over there so you live, out there so different. You live on the roadside. All kind of corro blow past you so.
What kind of koro? Yeah,
Next thing
all
you
the koro blow past you. So
Next
yeah,
thing
the
you go
all
over-
the koro.
Next thing you go over, your man suck off a little dusty breast, then when dust
No,
and
me
fly
go
past you.
beard.
So. And then when him catch germs, you catch germs too.
No, me
because
go
he
beard.
would go in your naked and give germs.
What you know about? You know, say every top chat, cause yeah, the all the dirty koro walk past you so since a while ago.
Oh yeah, you know me. You're bright, you know me. No ramp with me, yeah? Oh,
But this a dirty
oh boy.
Yo, Elder.
Why everybody think to me old? We look old here.
Oh,
Me just 30. Oh, 30. Me only look old, but me not old.
Never know Godfather. What me say still?
Uh-huh.
That's one. Come on, go foot cat down the road there. What me I look for?
I wonder if I want girl long, me just lick down a while ago and I want brazier top.
Lick down.
Yeah, man, one good dirty foot. If her foot dirty.
General.
Me don't know.
Woman only foot no brazier top.
Oh! Because when I say you have to go check out yourself. Because them the girl, when them foot dirty, so something wrong with them. It's either they're sick.
What am I gonna do with dirty foot, woman?
Woman
My girl
foot
can't
to
come in
clean.
bed. My girl can't come in bed. Dirty foot, dirty up, white cheating, and know that.
Ah, no, you know what me I talk about.
So, how I know so? Money?
No, man, yeah, I really money come I sell it. Plastic buckle. We can recycle it.
What you saying there?
Plastic buckle. What? Eh? What do you mean by what?
Where do you plastic buckle in? So how much money plastic buckle worth?
Oh, $3, me think $1, $3. No.
Well, I want another $3 money, brother.
No, man, the thing is, if you can pile them up till you reach 1 million buckle,
Brother.
there's 1 million here.
Tell us something. See money I look for. You can't pile up the money down here. Every time I pile up money, you try to thief them out, little.
No, the thing what you do, you see, since she love thief your money, every time you miss that money, you lick him on your finger them.
I murder me for murder that you know, so I'm gonna call man jump him round so I didn't go pick up 500k. Hey, I shouldn't even tell you they ain't sitting here still now. Yeah, where you come from?
Eh? Oh, down from the, you don't really come from the ear, but me just saw a circle coming out, a whole heap of buckle in them ear, yeah. So me full up your nose from here.
So father, watch your badness now. You know, say my ear.
So what does have to do?
No, I'm glad you tell me say I buckle him where I pick up in my village. Then worth money, so you know you have to give me a little thing for me buckle him. Because I drink buckle him in my village and cause
So you want to say every buckle in Eileen and you drink it?
I mean drink them people and drink buckle things, brother. Oh, I'm to you. A box drinks and
So
them
you are trying to tell me, say, me have to pay you for the empty back of them?
Father, take out my kerchief. I come like you know, see who they talk to you. Yo,
Alright, you want me to
yo,
say? You want me to say?
hey, not touch me, man. Know what I do. You see me tattoo them?
No.
Every one of them I want dead body. People were unalive. As me unalive them, I put on a tat. So listen me. You see my buckle them, where you pick up on the streets, what me drink,
Oh, yeah.
anything, what you do.
Yeah. Take you go and go sell.
You're smart. What you sell?
Don't like buckle factory.
Where buckle factory there?
Oh, no, why it all.
Lift up, man. Oh, I'm to your daddy.
Take it.
And I'm see you back in the village, you know.
Alright.
What you run to? Like something pop off in them. Where them wanna come from in my village, though, God? I wonder if them are worth good piece of money. Buckle. For check out, you know. In case any other boy lied to me. Problem.
Lord of God. Oh, God.
From that one bite you?
No, wow. One big chunk tattoo guy down there, so.
Oh, I know that man there. I think I know who you talk.
Inside murder
He's there with
people.
my friend.
Your friend an idiot.
I'm but abuse people too.
Oh.
But anyway, see you look so nice. I'm a papa color for you. You look nice and lovely.
Thanks.
See you look good,
You're
Jesus.
a good girl. Will I take you up?
Oh, but I take up your too. So you have no money?
Huh?
You have money?
Like what?
Money. 40,000, 20,000. Ready cash and you have much millions in the account. You work as a CEO.
I'm back on work.
Oh, you own the back of company?
No,
Jesus.
no. Listen up. Me walk and take up the back of them and sell them back to the company.
You walk and take up a buckle.
Yeah. Me put them in a one garbage bag. When them full, me tie them up and put them on my yard. And when them pile up enough, me call one truck and me carry them. Sometimes, sometimes the truck man fee when they come out, sometimes I don't see the money, but sometimes me have a little money, can buy crackers and
I beg you
sardines.
do. I continue run.
Huh?
I beg you do. Continue run.
Why?
What may I do with you? What may I pick up one buckle man? I do one buckle man. Tell me now. You know them a hard time, yeah. What may I pick up one broke pocket man like a you?
The time not hard, if you tap the life on the time is spinning. How the time hard?
Time rough. No money now run.
This time cannot rough. Stop, say it.
Alright then. Time not rough then. Me a suffer. And I feel like man pick up a bigger sufferation than me. Me see you run come you look good in your yellow shirt. Me think you have money. You well trim up and looking nice and lovely. Me think you have money. But you don't have money man. Continue
And
run.
that we don't know. We don't always talk about it rough. Stop say it. You not suffer. Cause see how you dress. You not suffer people. I suffer can't dress.
I beg you to go continue go. Come on, let me do one broke pocket man like a you.
Hello? Hello? No, me not see it. That what? Alright, me.
Oh, yo. How you me come back?
Lord, God, every minute one crisis just left me out.
Mama, any crosses right beside you.
Put up, let me
Where you go, mama?
Out the road, me they go sit down.
Stay back, girl, man.
All things stay by. I cut pie and me a man beat out your ass. Girl, what you want?
Oh, you feel up there side tell people about man beat me. You did see man beat me?
Who me tell some man beat you, girl?
Kayla's sister. Me didn't remember she name, but yeah, she.
Me tell you this. Me and Kayla sister don't hold no conversation to man beat you. All this money me say to my friend Kayla say. Me say, girl, guess who get some lick last night? No Shanice. Me and Kayla's sister never.
You see when me I get the lick?
Me hear it, them do an abuse.
Oh, you know, see,
The man tell me say you get lick and you do something to get lick, mama.
Mama. More you top walk and scandal maybe.
Mama, me not scandal a
You
business.
don't need
The
to
world
tell
don't know.
that. You don't know because you know. So
I
once
don't
you know,
care.
everybody go know.
I don't care. Me not hold
Just
nothing.
like
Me not plan for dead.
So you can't hold your mouth.
Mama, me know me. And you can't hold it.
So make sure
Hold
you hold your mouth. Because in everywhere your mouth fi go, You know, if it's scandal,
I know everywhere. I know everywhere that for go. Remember, say, you go give her that for 10 grand. Move for you, so that say your man beat out your nastiness.
Mama.
You can't hype on me, girl. My man not beat me.
Your man
Because
not
me
beat
not-
because you're not good.
Mama, you know why not beat me? Cause me now go run down this year.
Mama.
Go get next man.
Mama, the man
They can't talk to me. Remember, say the man tell me, say no, me tell you what the man tell me. Say man tell me, say you got beard, and when you plug in charger in your socket, it never good. So you have to stop. You can't talk to me. Why tell the man say, Mama?
That make you lose weight.
Me sorry. Mama, that shut the man! Are you getting cancer with a dirty mouth, girl? Go ahead, you have gonorrhea, syphilis, AIDS. Can't talk to me.
Babes. I'm here.
Tired.
Yeah, babes, nothing to tell you now.
You have to tell me now.
Come over here, so come looking at my
Me I
face.
hear you, me I see you clearly.
Babes, come over here, so come looking at my face, no, man. Don't say that me ever live bad. Me. I'm sorry for the your idea. Is me? But babes, you know, listen. I need to start grow up and act like a woman. And listen when me talk to you, is me? I'm sorry for lick you. I'm sorry for hurt you and make the blood that I cut the for your hand that they one day, is me? I'm sorry about that, but I need to change.
Change why?
Babes, I need to stop going like a hooligan.
Why?
I don't like you when you talk, you sound like I hug them more than tie over bush. That not sound good,
And
babes.
you sound like you got them.
I can't talk about goat, not like you think a capping thing with the part. You need to start talk smooth and nice like a decent young girl. And stop make them boy out the road jumpy. You don't have me in here for jumpy already. One more push start you
And
want.
I'll jump me right.
Wanna jump
Next
right?
time I jump me feel 2 seconds after.
What?
Huh?
Listen look well.
You say look while deaf?
No, me not hear you. So
It seems like you're not here.
me not jump you good. Fool to bombard to continue living a fear world where nobody no want live in a.
It's full bad.
Me keep on, I work with the deepness and the wideness and I try to change you so you can be cool. So your home can get in back to the right place where you did there when you just born and you not listen.
Now listen to tiles that go always deep and wide. That come like sea. You know, you see where they downtown? It's deeper than it.
Babes, I want you.
And it's wider than the 14 pressure. It's very wide. I will call you.
Come see man, I want you man.
Answer phone.
The next time you talk me, I talk to him, if you talk to him,
Answer
answer
phone.
phone.
No, answer. Answer now. Answer now. Now I get hot and heated.
I'm to answer your phone and me. I
Answer
talk.
your phone. Me don't talk. Answer your phone now.
Your parents are teacher when not.
Answer your phone. No. I like a dirty girl a call and say don't want to answer your phone. So after everything, you beat me, you cheat. And then you're going to tell me sorry if you accept sorry. If you accept sorry. Answer your phone.
B.
Answer your phone.
Babes, I want you man. I talk me, I talk to you.
Answer. Oh, say I give me one.
You know, say right now, to me see you go on. You come like say, you do things and any of me find out say you do things.
Oh, banana trash in your head. Where you come from?
Any of me find out say you do things.
Where you come from?
Listen to me.
What kind of trash that?
Listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
Tell her
Me
this.
I go about my business.
About which business?
And that when me go take me out.
No, see you go on like you do things and any of me find out say you do nothing. Palm me. Any of me find out say you cheat palm me.
Your phone just ring a while ago.
Me?
You could not answer.
I got discipline you. I'm to answer when time I talk to you.
God discipline your parents, them will have something like you. How you man?
You know, say, a girl I want me disrespect her the real way. It's alright. Clean up a place and go up on the road. Because the girl that can go and like say him a do things, you know. I say, any of me ever find out say him a do things. Just know say I know hurt mega hurting hand this time. Chop off it. Put a 28 cross in neck back. Then I can go and like say you want to come get cockatoo in here. Thing good man. Yo, can't believe it's a girl that come call me my time, you know. Son, get a girl my number, you know, man.
But what's the girl that you find out say? How a woman a call me? I'll do one system. I'm all pretty. Check on the block.
Mix up me attack, but you don't like the mix up, but you follow back at it. You need to stop it. You have to me.
But my friend Riri, girl, you have me a girl.
All the better.
Riri, girl.
Girl.
They good?
Girl, me there, I want to catch some beans. Can I?
Sit down, though.
Hey, girl, what
Even
I'm
yes.
there. Bigger money. Even.
You alright, you even.
She said that I know.
Girl, me there. Where you still going to know?
Girl, me just there here and walk and then see what go on. We are planning to do with the life and then something there.
Girl, I want money, man.
You need to go look at work. Girl, I said thing, me say. Where I go? You go and go look at
You know,
work.
says a nice pretty girl.
No, me know me nice. Me don't need you to tell me, mama. Me not talk to you.
You go over this, so. I'm a
But
friend
if she
there.
attack you, attack you.
No, mama.
Mama.
Me is no friend. Me don't know you
Me never
from
let you
nowhere.
me your friend.
So we attack.
Me I tell you say you need to look at work.
Yes, no, girl. Me not feel like me no want to work, girl. I want money, man. Yes, I'm money, man. Who want?
Actually.
I me say, girl, the other day me did there.
Yeah.
I me person, I me see one man a run come in a yellow shirt.
We are tapping eyes, the hold up.
You know say. Me see one madman a pass. After me sit down what they say in the moment, after me gate front, sit down good. Me see this man a walk and I take out buckle. He ma go say, you look nice though. So me say, yeah, me know me look nice. The man a go tell me say want one man when they pick up buckle for.
With something there with a yellow shirt.
Yes, him
And
said
him
one.
said one, me see the man a run come bow stick up in.
Not because you know see people that pick up buckle that means say them broke and have no money. You hear? Mama. The man can have his riches and still a parent that pick up buckle.
Who go the parrot? Who go rich and the parrot that pick up buckle?
He will do it. I see I got damn do it.
Mama.
She.
Me see the man a run come.
And
be-
when me dey talk to you, I don't want to tell you kiss your teeth. Mama, come and talk to you.
Between me and you, he tell me say one big tall tattoo man take away back of Franny like he built tall tattoo man push him and take him back. Let us say I run.
If the man take you back a good kind man, take you back
The
and
hero what kind of man?
nearly broke me hand like a
Mama.
Chinese horn.
Mama, you hear what kind of man me say? Which tall brown tattoo man you know in the lane where they do them they up there to people? Shanice man a thief buckle. Yes.
When the first stop a mix up, no line.
You
need
don't know
to stop
say.
it. Me glad say.
Me the chat. We need to stop. The
Let me
mix up
get up,
thing
mama.
now go nowhere.
Come out from me and me don't like a style.
If me da come out here, come out behind me too. Every time I come out, whenever I come out,
Wait a
embarrassing.
for. We don't make scare
The
yard.
mix up thing no good. The
Who
love
mix
thing don't good. Cause all I
I
talk about
only
is
mix up
love.
somebody else are you.
Girl, love real. Listen to me. Any day, name day, you find real love.
When I reach
Me
home, I
will
talk
pay
to you.
you and get change.
Me no want fear money. When I reach home, I talk to your sister. And me come to, as me did I say, the man take the buckle and fling on my face. They brought me on like a Chinese horn.
Girl, you're lucky. You need to feel over me. I run him. Cause I know money, I don't want a broke pocket man. Me need a rich man.
Me tell him some more, I foot them pan dashboard. You might say me foot them dirty. I see me like come, me foot
No, you
dirty.
foot them dirty for sure.
I saw them.
Me Jesus, what a bother.
Mama don't laugh.
You go under ya?
I want to know, I ask him. Come from where
No,
the
pick
feel
me. I hear the mix up then when them at you come go your yard.
No, sir, girl.
Yard.
Me call
Me
it
say
next time
yard.
me go to the yard, me not carry her.
Why?
You rough. Later, girl, you have a mother there. Come on, new mother you get. That's sorry for you. Come go here now.
Where I go on the road go do? Let me think I'm gonna go back over there so I can talk to that little girl there now.
Me go look at food. You do what you do. Me go look at food.
Make sure I come back in our yard today in our yard.
Read! Come here. I want to talk to you.
Jesus.
Girl, no gone in your yard.
Talk we have a talk.
To talk, we have a talk.
Kind of big women, girls to girls, right? You know, they need to change your ways.
Mama, I'm tell you this. Me not plan for change.
Calm down, me say calm down.
What a calamity. Me tell you this.
Your
Me
guys
not
not feel
plan-
older than for me.
Why? calm down.
You feel like a Kayla this year? I know Kayla this year,
You
mama.
can't be Kayla.
Mama, a true Kayla idiot. Let me tell you this.
You're
Me not
mostly
plan.
idiot, you know.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your
You're
mouth.
mostly idiot, to be
Girl,
honest, true.
Girl, I talk, you come to talk, or a lecture, come for lecture. Me, which one?
Me come for discipline you.
Discipline? You discipline yourself. If I want to discipline somebody, go get a daughter.
Me already have Kayla as my little sister.
Me know your sister, me know your daughter. So you not come discipline me. As me did I say, me not plan to change my life or myself to please you.
You're not changing to please me, you're to please you.
Mama, me not need to change to please myself.
Table's turning here.
You go turn pan.
So when time me turn, you're gonna come to me and you're gonna beg.
Who go beg?
You.
If I'm me for beg, God come to Ross. Cause if you are only somebody pan the world, me for beg. Me prefer dead first before me come beg you.
Oh, I can't say me never warn you.
Warn yourself.
You
think
can't
you don't say
me
I
never
took Kayla
warn you.
that all the thing you do come disrespect the girl pan road.
Me
Not
not
true, you
disrespect
the
her, me
beggar.
just tell her the truth.
Tell her it's true.
Cause you're bad company.
I should make
You lead her astray.
and you go lead her astray. You know see how you lead her astray. You're blind.
Oh,
You're blind.
better than some
Every
food
day you company where they disrespect the poor little girl. You make people that look on the girl bad. Yeah, what? You can't disrespect her yard.
No.
You shame the girl. And you not gonna shame me, you know. Call me a boko or me a dopey conqueror, so you can't shame
Well,
me.
me the biggest one.
Mama, come on to my yard. I don't tell you what me have to tell you now. And don't come back.
Honestly, I need to stop.
Stop what?
Me don't talk. Bye.
Mama, you can't talk to me.
Me don't talk.
So
Bye-bye.
wanna?
Bye.
Every minute, it come like God set upon me. Me mama, no sir.
Oh God, no buckling at one day. No buckling at them here. Where you come from? You come from boy?
Kind of.
No buckling at them around them here cause they try to circulate the area, you know, cause I walk and pick
You
up it.
can walk and look in a bush and see also one day.
Oh no man, me I count them man because
You can go around the little lane there and see if you see.
alright, welcome man, it's all short up here. Not say a word. But anyway, I want find the amount of buckle, cause that's what me selling them, buckle.
That's
Gather them
good.
up, sell them.
That's good. Can you make money off of them too, though?
Not really, but me can invest, me can flip it, because you know if you buy a bag of bag juice, you can flip it and buy a tube.
Understand.
You know, some people when they do business, they eat out the business.
True.
Some of them young girls, I see them sell clothes, when I check it out, them use out the clothes and not buy back nothing. Then that's what they make them buy from themselves. Then use out it. Some of them are young. I only hope you not tell like some of them young girls, you know.
No,
All
sir.
them do is walk around and thief jazz. Who not thief jazz? They take away bag.
That's it. Go for you.
Me no want you follow them young girls in them here. You call all them good for do. And that's all them good for do. Borrow people the things and then tell them I carry back tomorrow. All 1 week straight they have it on them back.
I really think you're top, man.
You don't do them something that I see bad business, no follow them. Your true beauty is a natural self. You understand? The bonnet cover your beauty. You don't wear bonnet. Left it for some squatters. Bonnet block your future. Because every day you go get up and put on bonnet, your future gone left you. You understand? And that's why they still on them they sitting there. If keep on down under the low system. Because every day it's only in a bonnet. I stand up. I feel pretty like I hear. I'm not here.
Because I'm here no come make me have a
It don't
man.
matter. If a man can't love you with a raggedy head, it don't make no sense. The last time I carry a woman in my yard, you know, and get up in the morning. You see the person when me carrying, I know the same person me get up with. The makeup thick so. Heavy duty makeup. They tell you. So no do it, no follow them up. Me like it still, so me go give you my number. You call me and we can talk. No one then. My number 3636916. So if you feel free, you call me, yeah?
Alright, then take care.
And remember, don't follow them young girl around here because them thief jazz hard.
Alright.
If you can secure your jaws, you secure your jaws. I don't like, cause it'll be a good idea still. Cause I'm more money this so. Money
I
on top
put
of
skill
money
in.
car, right?
You're willing? Rise up the chilling. You again?
Hold on, one buckle there. Where is the buckle?
I'm telling you, I'm going to do with the buckle. I sell them. That's so much money. They need work, boy.
Yes! That's why I walk and pick them up. Me want to make money. And you stop the program of making money when you take me buckle them. See there, I'll check, analyze it here still. See what buckle in a year.
And that me they do right now. So that me want you to understand. So, what me tell us about the village?
So you own the village.
So you think I road run this alone?
Yeah, that's why I come here so now, come check.
How much road now a village? You not ramp with me thing in a yacht. You see all of them are back clear? And them me walk and search for. I don't want you to touch one. You not learn?
So you want answer to?
Everywhere. In the village. Me put the V in a village.
But.
Understand? Put the hand, man. Your pen pencil like girl.
Yeah, go on, so village of everybody.
Father, run me turf. Different. You hear that? You see if you talk. Wait up, yo. Feel like a joke me I make? You feel like a joke me I make? Lift up. Lift up, the man. Boy, you have to lift up. You feel like a chattings, you know. Boy, come teach me.
Wagwan,
Me there. You know, so me have something to tell you, though.
what you have to tell me?
Big man, me say no, so fine, man.
Me Jesus. The little time me left it on Riri yard, you fine man. You should send a Riri there, man.
No, that little girl I can't give a man.
What kind of man you have?
Girl, one good man. But willing to settle
What
down with
name?
me. I'm not remember.
Me box and your man that then. That
Girl.
could never be your man,
Girl.
remember your man name.
Girl, the man wants to settle down with me. He's a trying man.
Remember my chairman, why do you feel living? My CEO for a big business.
No.
No what?
Tell you something. It's a people work hard,
Yeah.
will earn their own money, then deserve love.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kind
You
of
have to
work he
know,
do?
you have to know what kind of work he do. Just know say he's a trying man. I'm a willing.
He come me like
to
you
try
tell me
with him.
say your man is a broke pocket man.
And if him broke, me not care. He could have go broke a man, me there with him today, tomorrow, if we were say here.
You know me find out. Me get to find out say you're attracted to broke pocket man. Yes.
And if I not say you attractive to take people money and then left them.
Girl!
You know what?
Girl! This is what I mean. My father raised me good enough.
If him did raise you good, you would have done so.
Stop the nice. You take everything off of mommy. You see, daddy, all that you think about is the money. And that money me I think, but look on daddy, you know daddy there. Foreign with white woman. This one do, he left black mommy, I got do one white girl. You see the picture?
So
And
why
he
him not take
rich.
it? Alright, if you have a footstep, why him not take you with him?
Daddy don't like me.
Me take a
I
footstep.
don't know why. But I understand why you have one man. We are doing one man now.
When people do it, man, second long with. At least.
How you look love?
No.
Oh, thank God,
if you try
glorious. So what if you try with? You know what, some money?
Girl, the money you they worry about.
You then one broke pocket man.
The money you they worry about.
You see the other day, you raise your hand over, so back up, come here, big girl. I am 18 and you are 19. Back up, your love, go shame me on the road. And you're not shame in the evening, yeah. Back up and get out of my face.
You see, if you want me for discipline in the house, you would attend the house at the time and stop down there with the little girl there.
Riri is my friend, I'm not tap chat to Riri.
And she got put in a batty hole.
And you broke pocket, man. They're gonna make us suffer for the rest of your life. And me and Riri go rich. And me go about my business too. Come down here, tap so they come argue
Which
with
business
me.
are they go about, by the way?
Me I look for my friend them, two of them.
Girl, in the yard, me tell you something, I come in the yard and see you. You wash up your dirty plate them already?
You know, I'm for washing a plate this evening.
Girl, go up in the yard.
You know, feel like at the evening.
Because if you go down there, so when you come up there, say you get some beaten.
Alright, wait for me.
Alright.
Shanice!
Kayla.
Yeah!
Hey.
You know, like me want to say you?
How about go on?
Girl, me have whip a mix up to tell you. Whole heap of mix up.
Start off with yourself.
Alright. Yeah, I write myself himself. Me say me.
She never think she will come up before I reach out or so.
Really? I want problem to come and come sit down.
Who you are?
You never think you need to come out here before we reach.
Breeze. Me just wake up and feel that.
Oh. Alright,
Miss-
come on, go past her.
Wait, mama, wait now. Mama, come. Anyway, take your Riri no already. Me take Riri no already. Me talk when me attack.
Talk.
First thing me attack what is my family business and me come and pan for you.
Mm.
You know what I know say my sister tell me say fine one man. And I tell me about how him man is a hard working man.
Mm-hmm. So wrong with that?
Meaning say, he's a broke pocket when in there, they will no rich man.
Mama, which part of Jamaica I go find rich man then time here?
She find one.
Who
No,
find one?
she not find one. I want broke pocket man she find
So
me.
which man she go find rich man them time here? She
She walk and look for rich man. Look up on your hand.
You are rich man? If you
want
didn't
me
have rich
alone.
man,
I want
your
me
hairstyle
alone.
would have served you 4 months.
Mama, you say if you have a rich man, your man would have beat you till you damage your hand. You
And
see
you
how
tell us
I'm
that we
bad
not have
now?
no rich man, a bad man, me take up, you know.
Yes.
Alright, now me regret the bad man.
Yes,
How about you? How about this?
Remember the
How
garbage collector. Remember look people. Excuse.
Garbage collector.
A buckling, me find one buckling game. I want buckling walk and
Buckley, look, sir. Buckley, look.
No, really.
See what type of stuff?
What go on again, friend?
Me don't know friend, you know.
You good?
I look no friend from me, because I'm not making
Then, how do you know a buckle collector?
Huh?
You want to penalize video, the buckle collector you wouldn't damn it so. I mean here say your man. Cause in describe say I want tattoo man, yes.
I feel hard, man.
A fear man, I hear man alone. Your man a walk on a thief.
A fear man for true.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, man.
All right. Let me chat. No. Relax.
Fear man.
Tell your man to bring back my bag back.
Why there? You're too bright now. You're too bright. Every time you see me, you want to abuse me.
Hey.
Yeah, me ma? What is?
Hey.
Go on, what me are now. Right. You don't do that.
Hey.
You don't do that.
This one,
You must smell that.
me can ask you something,
You
sir.
must smell that.
Can I ask you something?
Under food fishy.
How you know that? Oh, you know that you go under there?
This sent a while ago. When she get up. Raw.
You know when I tell me the things say you should you collect buckle?
Ah, shit.
Oh.
That no. A
So
while.
how my man get for teeth here buckle them?
Well. She take up my $20,000 worth of
She
buckle.
take up a $20,000 buckle.
Him. Take up my $20,000 worth of buckle.
How
Right up the road, yes, sir.
about that? What am I supposed to do? Go over me yard for them?
Hear me?
What for you spare you?
Anyway.
Me spit?
Me don't understand.
Where
Me
you
not-
going now?
You want my man? There is she more if need you.
Mama, remember say, if nobody need nobody, you and your sister.
No.
Uno shot of
My
food.
sister
uno
has
shot of-
somebody. Number one, me can't shot and not baby lover. You shot us to make it take up a bad man. I had get lick. I had tan in a east.
So mama, what?
Make me stand by myself. I not shot on. Me ear one do. Let it stay. And this to go find more rich man. You see me a sub. You see no dear here. No man no want. You see how this. This need fix up properly.
Anybody need fixing a she? It was nice meeting you. Me I go over me, I go ask my man about the buckle. If me
Yeah,
get him, me
yeah.
carry con give you.
All right, thanks about that. You see a friend like this, you don't need a friend like this.
Me realize
Show me a
Yes,
talk
hold on.
truth.
this need to go in the rubbish
Then, bro,
bin.
Jamaica, your ear look better than
No.
Me figure out.
Ay.
Look how long we up in the yard and wait for you.
See all them sitting here. See all them sitting here. Y'all little pitney.
Christ, God. God. Why everything? Who this? Who this? No, that. You know her? You know her?
Anyway, I'm going to talk to you here.
Alright.
I'm going to talk to you. I never know say your sister.
So what go on just how
You know
I
him?
Yeah, me know him, I walk.
Are you man?
We don't need to know
I
that.
could never, yeah, man, I could never pick up a rubbish collector. man.
Right, tell me about man. You should tell your sister to pick the right man. Later
Go
go
on
there.
with the bad man.
Yes, go there.
Come out and go up, so.
Mama, I go up, Tom. You come there for before, but I go up, You come to embarrass me on the road. One day, I have to get rid of you.
Send her the bag this. Me bumbo. Then him really a walk at his back like so life gone hard pan him. Watch me and him when him come here. Cause I know in the house, I have to move.
Yeah.
Yes. You me a weird pan. You Miss General.
Come like you want.
Yeah, I can't thief back now.
You come like you want crosses in my life.
Any
no?
crosses there, sir, you. Me God, what people are call my man thief. When I'm a bad man a thief. Yeah, I can't thief back.
Call out thief.
You. Can I see a thief, the poor old man back? The man look so old and innocent.
I frame me and try frame me.
20,000 out of back, the man say.
I frame me and try frame me like my glass frame.
Don't me have to shut the 2 box, me can't feel so good enough.
What? I would love to see
Listen
that.
to me
play.
now.
Tell you this. I see him
Listen to me
question
now.
me come for accent and what is about like come from.
Listen to me. You don't come flip no question for me. Who over clear thief? The man say thief in back. The man say the man full of tattoo. The brown tall man full of tattoo.
What? What?
Hello, take time out to come on face. Cause I'm too surprised the police come and come all pull you in the morning and no night when me in this sleep, you know. So listen to this right now. As I told them, I think me want to sleep in this with you. Me can look for yourself now and then.
Yes.
But the back where your thief need to go back or you pay the man in 20,000.
I thought me thought wrong still as it. I like me there tell you. You know every liar is a thief.
Me know I realize that thief, every thief is a liar, they're two thieves. No time to take time talk when they need out of the scandal, me say my man a thief, then I take time talk, you know. Is that they go care about the man buckle, I go get the man in 20,000, the man very old.
I want me can wear clothes. I want me can eat food.
I
Them
could have
thief, you know
never
me a
buckle.
thief.
No, buckle, look how
Them
buckle.
thief, you know me a thief. Eh?
And I'm
How much time me in a house and say me a give road a break? Now you still sit, now you see one time for go thief people things for get something for eat. Eh? I test me faith, you know. I test me faith, now you go on like and I mean me can eat food, you know. And I mean me can have shape. Eh? And I mean me can yam grape. Hey, no, me
any
bust up a
shit
face,
me
no, say, no.
have a way God provide, give me. So listen to me now, me a go in and me go pack my bag and me a leave you.
How long time I think like you come out of my life so I have a thief again. Lunatic. Kill me if you kill him too for him going. Is that right? Me and him. I have a plan for you.
Jody, I made it so.
But then we found somebody who can give me money.
The man I give money?
Mm-hmm.
That the man that I give money?
Mm-hmm. Is
Oh,
that crime?
it's not a crime. It's a join and wait. And the money.
You know, I get none do.
No, I mean, I beg you for no. I want to see if my money can give you. So you like him?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm going to settle down with.
Mm-hmm.
And when they walk and pick up, see one poor buckle to you can take up a game and income. I think if you're living, take up buckle. See my
If you did do something for your living, you would have done so.
Not really much still, no, but you can buy what you can buy with it.
Oh, thank you.
So that me.
Why you never beard?
Huh?
Why you never beard?
What you mean by what?
I turn to the right, she say, you can't have manners.
I feel me money, you know. So me feel what I feel wear. Me wear what me want wear.
Hello. You come on yesterday in a head clothes, yeah. And to the other to the right show, who you are fool?
But they all-
You pick up and broke
Bro,
man.
say man clothes them. You ma borrow nobody clothes?
Right.
No. Sorry, no. You don't burn nobody clothes.
When last day Ed?
The last time you beard.
When last day Ed? Yeah, describe me. You know who is me?
You know who is me?
Yes, a low life dog.
No, you is a low
I try
life
live off my
dog.
sister.
This a girl don't have money for me beg. Me no beg this a girl and nothing. And
So
she's
how you name?
hello.
The bed
Hello.
where you sleep and who buy?
Mama. And daddy and mommy buy the bed. Member good.
Oh.
Member good.
Oh, who find
Member
me
good.
dinner? Who
Mama.
then send the money for come buy?
Anybody who buy the bed, I feed them you mean. And never you buy the bed.
Me.
Move. Go on with your business.
You need to stop. Get up from right here, so.
You say me now move?
Anyways, me dey go down a shop and come back.
Me no business where you want go.
You want something?
No.
Make sure.
Mm-hmm.
So you are going to left your money.
And that me want know.
You know mind she TV, she a rat.
What rat? If me a rat, you are the zoo.
Me so come.
Listen me. If it's zoo like me, now I'm taking an animal like you. Because
that
me
you,
no want
cause
my zoo locked down. Me no want to scare my people them. You feel left over Panama, over with the rest of monkey, them like over the water. You know if you go for Thailand and walk.
Why? Later. Only God know where you favor. Shanice!
Oi, how you go?
Me they go down the road.
Kale up there?
Mm-hmm.
So I wish Barrel come and me not know about it. So where you get US from? Not them
You watch
hard
people
time,
business too much.
Mama, me have to watch people business cause while me want do that beat me whole on that scandal, but now I'm beatless free.
Who?
Me a go up there cause me want to know what in I barrel for me.
Oh.
Big Farid.
I want the problem long mouth.
Me there, you know. Mama, how you get barrel and no like me? Why not for me? Me see your sister down the road, you know. With the US now and
Mama, you don't even know who give you West. You talk about foreign. No,
so
me
she find
no,
out land.
no foreign, no land. Nobody no come from foreign.
So she get the US. Women not for the broke states and I can't afford the US.
I want to US that, mama.
I still US, mama.
Guess where I get it from? Hey, man. The man will walk and pick up buckle.
The old man,
You know that all.
he look old.
But he look all, but he not all. Thinking not good.
Then there? Really?
Yes.
This is still an ambition. No buckle them on this.
I hit me, I tell you.
Yeah, money do.
No, you know the money.
Mama, and you can have US. What we have?
Me have feeling say a thief in thief. A thief
Much
that
money
money.
you have?
No, baby, no money.
See, $100 me have. If you are $100 bigger than this $100, yeah.
Me no the money. Where me find one rich man? So whole
My
life.
sister beautiful.
So whole life.
Life great, mama.
You talk to your man about
Me
it.
now no
Talk to
man,
them.
mama. Me left that. Me pack up and me left that.
I like you tell girl, you left.
I am for the streets now.
Thank God you finally have sense. No one to make you walk up with your face so bright. up.
Yes. So, where are we going later?
Oh, me
So we
have,
can go out back now.
me have one man up the road that me can't give you.
No, me not ready for no man lady. Me just want to have fun at the moment.
Remember the last time you tell me say you and the man left. You know me go see the man.
Where?
Party back at you.
Oh.
Would they go party and pop pull up?
we did I.
Who did I?
Me.
See you call him.
No, no call him. Answer phone and tell him I'm there. Then again, girl, me done for good this time. Me done.
Girl, you're not done. You're still that with him. Me not be son of God left, you know.
Me done for good.
For real, really.
Me not she there no.
Me not feel like me left for yard today.
What kind of rules and regulation your sister up in the under?
Me see them put me on no rules or no regulation. I'm just like me want to chill out on a bench today.
Mama, you remember yesterday she got race you up in the yard?
I mean, in charge. She not in charge. But me left out of the yard.
Mama,
right.
nobody make me boots say no.
You can't boots me.
Oh.
Can you boots her?
So me know you're not a man of your own. I
Me
don't.
not me have to own.
I
Me left out of the
don't
yard.
want she beat your backside down the road.
She can't beat me.
If she a beat me now, save it. So come on.
Come on, girl. Where you come from? Me not 18. Me not allowed to go. Me want go.
Not because you're 18, you're still underneath my roof. If not, if I happen to me, police will come haul and pull and me go in a problem.
Me never see about that. Me a 18.
That still not say.
Hello, me go up and I walk. Me go walk and stretch my legs them.
You and who?
Me and Shanice go walk. My friend go walk. We go have a walk.
Which
Go
part
link
you
them.
go?
Where me go, not relevant to you.
Suppose
Me go where me
somebody
want
happen
go.
to you.
Clearly
come out
nothing
our
do
house.
not happen.
You come out our house and even say hey to me.
What me say hey to you for?
I'm supposed to know your whereabouts.
You don't need to know me whereabouts. I am 18 years old.
That's
me
still
go where me
not
want
say.
go.
That still not say. You know say from mommy and daddy gone. You know Kayla again. You know Kayla where you used to be again.
You know why me not the killer used to be again? Cause the killer did underage and she have to abide by the rules. This a killer is
You have to
18.
still abide by the rules now,
No.
cause of me, mommy and daddy left in
No,
charge of
no,
you.
no, 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 no.
Cause not for me tell me them I go call.
Me a big woman. You see time you watch my business, they go watch you and your water buckle man. When they walk and I pick up water buckle. Watch your business when it's spoiled.
At least in they do something, don't it?
At least in that do something for a
And
living.
you're
What,
proud of it.
what are you doing for a living?
And you're
For a
proud of
young
it.
girl, what are you doing for a living?
Are you proud of it?
Yeah, I'm proud of it. What are you doing for a living, Kayla?
You're blind.
What? Walk up
Eat,
and
sleep, walk up and look rich man. You're blind?
how would that I go put you?
What gonna put me? You know, a big man.
So I
chan.
better say I get nothing to eat tonight.
No, you not give me nothing to eat. No means me I go starve. Me have a man now. Bright.
Where you find, man?
That's all of your business. Just no say no walk and pick up buckle.
You sure say you alone you have?
Hello. If a rich man could I ever have 5 billion woman or 5 woman one time.
Child just
I
no
mean
say.
include night be 6. Me no
Listen me.
business as long as me
Yes,
get
when
my
time
money.
I catch gut, no come to me. You hear
If me
me
catch
tell
go,
you?
if me catch go, me now come to you. Me at 18. No,
Make
if me catch
sure.
belly now.
Can you see if him not own it? Me would like to know which other man you have out there.
You never say do I go where you go me come go because me don't know where you come. Because sun hot. Sun hot before you
Are
leave
you
the
there?
house.
Are you there? Night? Me dey go about my business. Me dey
So you
check-
go about your business. Me
Me dey
ask
go
where
check
you
my
go.
man.
Me ask where you go.
Me dey go check my man.
Me no business for go check your water buckle man and my business that.
At least me dey get money and you eat and I drink out of it.
No.
Same way.
No. We never ask you. You don't have to collect the money from them carrying at the house. Because all you do
So,
is get up a
so
morning time.
question.
What?
The curry goat and the white rice we eat yesterday. Who you think provided?
That are not curry goat. That a curry goat they fear by your man. That are not curry goat. Me never name none of that.
Oh,
Whatever.
but you hide it underneath the bed door.
Because me never want it, so me put it underneath the bed.
You hide the plate. Girl, me dey talk to you. Me never tell you say you could have moved.
Clear.
Me give you permission to walk off.
Hello. Me are 18.
That's still
Not
you're the part.
14.
You're the part. You're 18. You're 18. That's still not say. Under film roof, they go under now. Suppose me for put you out and say go live with your man.
Because you are clear one. This man not a hot son yeah. Clearly. Just listen to me say go in your ears then. And the last time me I want you. You see next time. Me you see me know where you saw me left out of here and tell me left out of here. You come and record you want
And
to
if
me.
me are go left out and
Stop
come
it,
now
nice.
put you out.
Stop it let me
Now go
talk.
put you out.
Stop
Take
the
your
knife.
hand out of my
Stop-
face.
stop
I'm
the
a bigger
knife.
than you. And me
Stop
beat
the
you
knife.
out here.
Stop the let me talk. Stop the knife make me talk. You see next time you do it, you hold on by my hand. You go black and blue your eye and me push you down, you know. Cause you clear you come like say through your night, you feel like you're big, but there's no big man, you know. Me 18, me do what I want to do.
But me a
And
big man
stop come
myself
on the
too.
road, come shame me. Me the cow you done. Me a walk back in the cow you done.
Yes.
Don't
Me
come
tell
me
you
down.
this, just try not to front today, dear. You not sleep back in the house there.
No, stop me up there, me a go, you blind. It's like
You
you're
not
blind.
so when me come back, yeah, come out. And me don't talk. Riri! Riri! A Johnny, come here, good girl.
That's how I do.
Good morning, Robert.
How me can help you?
Girl, me come to ask you a question.
What?
Which spot my sister go yesterday?
I'm going to man.
She and who?
Shanice.
But then go look for man and do.
We have question, man. If you know what they're going to look for, what people go look for man and do. Because they see your sister say she don't want there with the broke man. So she go kidnap you.
Huh?
And you see the $100 US to get from
Oh,
the man.
ho. Which ones are US? Want to know about that? Say.
Mama, remember how we know.
How you hear that, by the way?
Look on the road, me hear about it. On the road, they
So,
have
so
their
she tell me
broadcast.
business scandal out the place.
Mama, nobody take a business plan out the place. You take a business plan out the place. Now come on to me yard.
Girl, don't touch me. Me come to ask you something, me never come to you touch me. Don't touch me, me say.
Me yard.
Me say not touch me, me not touch.
You know, what's going on here, lad? Fighting, you're gonna stop me fighting. Well, not fighting! Oh, you take it. Where you take it? Stop coming here, fuck. Come on to me, yard. Come on to me, yard. Come on to me, yard. You don't want to bust up your face? Come on to me, yard. Bust up my face. Come on to me, yard, girl. You don't want to bust up your face? Come on to me, yard. Come on to me, yard. I suppose come on to me, yard. I
sir. I'm gonna come out and leave your yard.
No, come on, come in the yard, yes. And I said, we want to come to me and come for argument and sit. Damn, come back in the yard, girl. Sure. Wait. Come to me yard. Sure. I say every time you come out there, set that girl upon me. Every time this girl come to me yard and have a problem with me. All right.
Can't understand.
Oh, they are your super dog.
You know, say girl Kayla and Riri me just don't fight.
For what?
Cause them a camera business got scandal out the place. But me and you.
Fix up your blouse good. I don't understand what you're talking about.
Me can't take this little girl that stress me out, man.
Tell her about your sister, you're not here. Stop worrying about she. She are 18.
Me have to worry about her because if she gone, and me police same way I come haul and pull because my roof she on the same way.
Stop, make she pressure you. Remember that she are 18, you know? She a big old tough turbit. She free to do anything she wanna do.
But my roof she on the same way.
You don't understand? Are you wrong? Put her out. Somebody I try also some watch him come. Watch her.
Yes.
Lord
Tell him
God.
to give $1 more US. Eh?
What am I talking about?
Tell him to give it.
Now you me just don't beat down there so.
Hello. Hello. Stop
You
the
want
noise.
more?
Stop the noise. Stop the noise. Tell him to give you $1 more $100.
Suppose he not have it.
See it? Bro, dog, you go pick up.
Suppose he not have it,
so
Fanny.
what wrong with it?
Empty barrel.
So what wrong with it?
We is trash.
So what wrong with it?
Huh?
What wrong with it? I walk.
Hello, if I do want to supermarket, fuck.
What you want to do?
So me, if you work for a supermarket and collect 16,000 a week, when you can pick up how much backlog there and make a good amount of money,
Like how much?
you can get on 10,000 for the day out of backlog and 20,000 if you're smart enough.
Listen to me. You're not good for me system. I think you're too enough for it. You're not nothing half far.
You can't choose nothing.
Love.
But love there. Any name there you find love. You show me pay you and get change said time.
I want to see.
Any day you find love and show me.
Because I go put out her clothes them.
You're not going to put them out.
Now listen to me now. It's when you love. You don't try to search for love. Love will follow you. Love will find you.
A garbage I follow you. Garbage.
I mean, I make money off it.
No, that's not love.
I mix up a follow you morning, noon and night.
Right. That's not love. Love will find you as long as
Me,
you
I
have
love
this.
myself.
It's your heart.
If you didn't love yourself, you would pick up their crosses, girl, as your friend.
If you didn't
And
love
every day,
yourself.
them a chat you behind your back.
If you didn't love yourself, you don't pick up a garbage collector, man.
At
And
least him a
every
do
day you
something. At least him a do something. Don't what
Yeah.
your friend them a
Tell
do.
him again. You see, let me share something. What is that? Let me share something. And them a man that they want. I'll show you the man that what they want here. Hold on, let me show you. Them foot cack off 5 supers. So, I them a man that they want. Them a man that they want.
And so what? They have money in my bank the line. I want chop them want. I want a broke pocket boy. I go.
Every,
Where that I go?
every chopper have a road, you know. Them road are 6'6".
So
Tell her
when you
again.
go 6'6", I get another chopper.
Teach her because she
You see,
not have
everybody
no
when they,
so.
you see, everybody when they scam, send voodoo out of them.
How we
You
have to do with
understand?
that?
And you see, next thing again,
Yes.
I'll teach you something. Every scammer scam their loved ones.
Oh.
So you see, if you take up a scammer, yourself are going to get sacrificed.
I don't care.
It's either you home or you can't breathe again.
Tell her
Anytime
again.
you realize you
I
can't.
can't breathe and me have money. Me alright. I go adopt a child. What the problem?
You better you stop talk to her, you know.
Back to them, man. Need check it later.
Alright,
When I make
then.
one little money, can want 5 grand come here buy some
Alright, then,
soap
later.
and some tissue and some stay free and them something. Because I know you need the necessary things.
Alright,
You don't do like a she, because she look like say she no be from weeks, pant up a weeks.
If me not run her for a bed, she not bed, you know.
Looking at her toenail with two different colours. It's like she
say,
have a
And
phobia.
test me, I test out the color. You can't go like you want to shame me. My two of them is very beautiful. Them are two you can suck off. Bright. Man,
Jesus!
oh yeah.
Man really suck them there?
I mean, I told their name, my man love me. Saying go and suck them.
Man really suck them there too there?
Yes, and them I told them on
Which
chest.
man?
Up in a girl, my man I have. Who is you?
Then the bullfrog foot there?
Somebody.
Yes! Them the cockroach told they look on them today. Hey! What thing wrong with my two? Them are two different two things. Look on them, they ugly something there. Look on them there.
I don't see my foot dirty, you know say.
Dirty foot girl you pick up your one come and clean body me. Nice up body me. Sexy me. Cute me.
You better take up a trash and wash them off. Then take up something brand new and can go in your yard and it no good. Go on where you go.
Move.
And everything
Come
you
up here,
see,
you got to
a
touch your
store
clothes
is
and
good.
promote
Go on.
those.
Go on, take up your clothes them.
Which clothes?
Because you're 18, you have to feel yourself. Go on.
Yeah,
the man-
big man.
yeah, the man-
The
Yeah, the man where they stay with, you can move in with him.
Yeah,
But I know say,
Why
you
your man
touch
can't
my
buy
belly.
underpants? You worry about me and go, girl. It's me.
Me they wear your underpants them?
Look at woman have that show up everything for you. See you. I say you go and get bun. Oh yeah, next one too.
Later, you hear?
Okay,
go
no
go deal with
problem.
her.
Oh yeah, go.
Me I go up go show your clothes them.
Our leg them look like say our pee right up on our foot.
Right? Every time you look dirty girl and coming on my yard, you want dirty Jody she. Cho. Every time you look dirty girl coming on my yard, I come argue with me. No one she coming on my yard back, you know.
Oh, you know you call me woman, dirty woman, you know.
Tell your dirty girls every talk coming on my yard.
Because you see you
Oh.
is a sign of dirtiness.
Oh. And you and your girl are the sign of dirtiness.
You are the start of dirtiness.
Oh.
You.
And you and your girl are the finish and the definition. When you can't talk to me, tell her so we talk come over my yard. The next time I piss me, I go dash pan him, you know. The next time I saw him piss me, I go dash pan her. What they are in my hospital from Wacky Kill Philip. Alright.
So, mama, so you really have a heart here, piss under your house pattern from Wappy Kill Philip.
Yes, I fi dash pan Jody. Fi dash pan her, cause she not top coming at me and come make problem with me. One your woman, you know.
You're not sick.
One your woman.
You
And
know-
you sick me.
You're not sick.
You and your tongue sick me.
You're not sick.
You and your tongue sick me.
Nasty young girl like you piss under house pattern.
Yes. Nasty young girl like me.
I don't want to see what you do with the doo-doo. Where you put the doo-doo?
In your mouth.
Because you're nasty.
In your mouth, me put it.
For a young
Sorry
girl.
for me get.
Watch out, fly
Sorry,
and follow your pokey.
Yes, make it follow it. A kite taste nice. Come on, time me move.
Fly, follow shit.
I in your mouth, the fly there.
Fly,
I in
fly.
your mouth. I in your mouth.
If fly and follow your pokey.
Move fast in front of me gate. Alright.
Yeah,
Me
yo.
have to go for piss now. Alright, me show
For a
you.
young girl upon the toe.
Let me show you something. No
Come
move,
on.
you know. Don't move.
Yeah, man, now we upon you. Now we upon you. You're damn idiot to the nasty Noah.
Ready? He should have moved, you know. He should have moved. He should have turned out and me dash it on him. Cho. All in a female feel like a joke me did a make.
Hey, babes. Babes. Back the company people and just text me back, you know.
Say you really gonna sell him man buckle them?
Me dey have some sell already. What you pray? You know, say business now to work fast. Money are coming slow, but you still can make the future better off, you know.
You know what? Hear about you and no thief in buckle right now. Because your thief people them buckle, you want to sell people them buckle.
I'm for thief buckle when I'm in one village.
Hey,
What you talk about empty buckle? You ever see people that thief empty buckle?
then what you do? A man having buckle them in a bag, you go thief them.
Thief what? You idiot. After me buckle them on the street, when me drink out, can me mark them. You see me? So
The
me
whole of
have
them.
And me they have
So
them.
if me go for them right now and throw them out, so me I say man, pan all of them.
What you mean?
No, I'm not talking with them. I can't go on the road.
Oi. I saw you want to leave careless, you know. Where you go for the road go do?
Imagine me tell you me I go on the road, they call lick me. Wait, me
I lick that.
I go look for my friend them.
You want to feel lick? See a little careless friend them I love, you know. See a little careless company them I love. But go and see him where. And see if you know
You see next time I put the hand on me, a police me I go call here. Police me I go call here, go ugly looking boy.
And then me put you out.
No,
put
you
you
what you
out.
have to say, I'm go by my
I remember
business.
saying I know if you live. And none of your little careless thief in front them. Where they walk a thief jaws and nasty now know if you hitch up or put you up. So you can go and chat.
This?
Wait till they come back in this.
Dirty footboy, I go tell me say me can't lift yard. Oh, goody. You look so tired out and beat out.
You tired and beat up, mama?
What happened?
Yeah, man, good morning. I like me just okay, me just can't bother.
What do you?
Now my sister again.
Go over little. I feel like you're itching for me too much.
You come up here.
Mama, me go back to me yard. Oh, after me just take a lick to come out of the yard. Piece of ugly man done there.
So what? Still there with them, man?
Girl, I'm not feel go.
So what do you have bragging about say relationship done?
Girl, me did just feel happy that day there.
Oh, well.
When me left him, you go put me up?
Mama, I wish we could have put up, but me can't put up here.
Okay.
Right, my sister plan for that show. Me no want to believe what happened today.
What
Me
happened?
done the road. Me no, me good on the road and something.
She come down the road and I lick me?
You know what really me top, man, girl. Me top. And then I say me I go back up and now. So I never tell you for 10 years and me I come back up. When me I come back up, you know what I know what say. You walk up on the girl shame me on the road. I just have to step off and walk come up. When I come up, yes. I walk up and I say walk back on the road. I walk back on the road now. I know I'm ready to see the fight. I go park the fight.
You are very real fight?
Yes. Hell of a thing when me look at the time turn and beat me. There we are when me I come on now. Who give you?
What you do? Them turn around and beat you after your party war. So what you do? Beat them back?
No, I told them for me run.
Mama, you don't know. If I top you make sure you beat at least one. While you beat one and the other one lick you, you go and take the lick from the other one.
No, man, it won't beat me. And then look again, girl. Me I come back up, you must shame me, boy, and go dash out me. Right now, I'm plan for dash me out, you know. Right over there, she plan for dash me out. You don't know what to do.
Can't put you up because my piece of man don't know like you and your family, so. Girl, I have something I can't tell her to do. Because I don't really want to tell her you go do it and then you go hear say me influence you.
So?
You see? Me hear them by them as can't old people. If I write and offend you, what you do? Chop it off. She offend you, chop her off. Mama, make nobody put you out first. Put her out first.
Me can't put her out. She have a papers. She must put me out.
So you can't light the papers them?
I know what she do with them.
So what you gonna do now?
Burn down the house.
No, and when them burn down the house, where you gonna live?
You don't worry about that.
Oh, that makes sense.
Me that business, me a burn it down. Like me go do. I can't go in your yard.
You run me now.
Me go think about more burn down the house.
Mama, if I burn down the house, that not benefit you nor she.
Me want me to burn down the house when I'm asleep. Burn the house when she asleep.
Oh, that go help you. That way I do not make no sense, girl.
Cause when she burn, when me...
The best thing me can tell if it is analyze her.
No, mama.
Put something in her drink.
That's too much work. Then go no see me burn down the house and then me glad enough me go do. Me go set the gasoline. You watching the movie? How them throw the gasoline and you see the fire take a little time and run go up to the place. You see it? Me go run go up to the car, me go do it to the house and go in the house and little in the house like me asleep. But me say me not sleep no, so as me see the house catch a fire, so me run out through the window, lock her up in there.
So you not Gerard?
No. Me a burn down the house with she night.
Me a good on the road. Maybe me come back, maybe me not come back.
Alright, hit me out.
What think about your plan later?
You want to me I go burn it down now. I'm gonna get gasoline from. Burn it down when she asleep. Okay. Burn it down. Burn it down.
Really, just sit down and just some.
Girl, cause today Sunday, I'm just tired. I'm just done cooking or something.
Okay, laddie.
You know, say I'm not seeing from when, I don't know.
Well, let's see her.
You know, so I'm not too sure.
What you know? What you know?
I don't know.
But if me ask people business anyway, though.
Oh, wait, see, I know this is see her come here. Tequila, yeah. There, girl. Tired.
So happen?
Why not enough one? I'm not about burn down the house. You see
Me tell you, if you burn it down.
You see me think about it? I want block pocket man in there. I want him burn, I want
Me hear everything. So that I don't tell people say.
Say what? Say your man broke?
Yeah.
Yes, your man broke. You're that garbage collector man.
How you sure say I'm broke?
I'm broke. You know, a back leave pick up for your living.
No worry about that. See my man they walk a come.
Where your man there walk a come?
Oh, see him down there, so.
You see, you didn't even know your man.
problem.
How you give me it?
You see this Rasta man they come.
Shut up.
You think
Me
your man
realize say you have strength for your sister.
I said, I have to take out my slippers because I have a box on her face.
Your woman don't know
Yeah,
you.
what happened?
You see the Rasta man up there, so I'm gonna say, see man up there, so they walk come. When you that down the road, they just come. Oh, that work.
No problem.
What me involved in that?
Me a cuss that to
Don't
shut
get-
up pocket man, cause you broke, you walk and pick up buckle. No, there somebody
so
like you,
broke.
you a rich man. You know a broke pocket man.
I know she still can buy a pair of slippers for herself.
You can buy the
Ma,
pants.
everywhere you go, you're going to the one slippers there. You got work in the one slippers. You got beard and the
That
one
is your
slippers.
man can buy
Alright,
a rated slippers.
Listen,
Anyways, you know,
pay attention to me.
listen to me. This don't involve me.
It involves you.
No, go
No,
and
it
go
involve me. Yes. You have to go over before my man come beat
remember
me.
say your man head no.
Listen to me.
Yes, so later.
Alright, girl,
Yeah.
later.
Listen, the other squatters gone, but you see them two we are
Yeah,
left.
squatters, I can feel like I can this.
Them can't step in your shoes now.
No dear.
Me not tapping a broke pocket girl shoes, not there.
Anyway, you show me the most love in the community,
Most love.
right? You make me understand so no matter where me have come from, love still exists, right?
Yeah. Oh, you come for do? What were they?
Say Papa was.
Which propose? I say
One broke pocket man can propose to you. You know, look, propose a bit too.
Have manners. This is money. Me not broke. Have manners. Yeah?
Talk to me nice.
Have manners. I'm not broke.
You mean, bro?
I own a guest house.
That none.
Hey, we can't go over me.
Listen me now.
Where you go?
You too. Hey! Remember it now. You always listen me. Give me this. Come here and buy plenty of it. Come here. You always try to get me.
Hey, not true. You get them now. That look Kyle, you feel like you can't talk to me. You
Show
still
me one
can't
now.
talk to me.
Show me one now.
You don't even have a thief. The man thief.
Stop right there in my face.
Go on, you know. Go on.
Anyway, come on. No
Come
pain
on
in
here,
my mind.
babes.
Riri.
Oi.
Come here, girl. Come here.
Here. Girl,
Hurry up.
you know, say he lit me with the Kyle.
Mama, me feel the richness right after.
Why me feel it?
You know what we gonna do?
You know what you do? Murder.
I hit me go and do.
Murder.
I what we gonna do too? Of involve Shanice.
Yeah, we have
Probably
to
a
call.
Shanice man can do it too, you know?
Yes.
Cause Shanice man a bad man.
Yes. Yes. We have to go call Chinese and plan up it. Because the girl going like say, you know, say the boy did the Chinese man and tell him.
Yeah.
Spend on that money, pan
And the man
girl.
fool me to in a pick up water buckle. Fool me to. And the man dem me want man like that, me want broke pocket man.
Yeah, girl, and you can give some of the money.
Say, now we have got to know if we go talk to Shanice.
Yes.
See involve in
In
man.
man.
Cause we don't know if murder nobody. We don't know if murder nobody. You understand?
Well, we have to go call Chinese. So me I go over me yard and
No more than a Shanice said me and Mark go right now.
All right, come on.
Where you go the blasted cheer. Where you go with that?
Girl, me gonna put my chair over me yard.
Hurry up, me I wait for you. Hurry up, mama, hurry up.